Hi everyone. Today we will continue with the terminologies used in set theory. The first one we're going to be looking at is what we call equal sets. Equal sets, okay? Two sets are equal if they contain the same elements. In our last class, we talked about element of a set, okay? Now, if you have two sets having the same elements, then we say they are equal sets. Let us take a look at an example right here. We have set A to be 1, 2, 7, and 9. It has elements 1, 2, 7, and 9. And we have set B to have 2, 1, 9, and 7. Let's take a look at this. Are these two sets equal? Let's take a look. The set A has 1 as the element. This also has 1. B also has 1. Okay. Set A has 2, as B also has 2. Set A has 7. B also has 7. And also B also has 9 as A has 9. If you take a look at this, you realize that they both have the same element. Take note that we do not consider the arrangement or the order of the elements. But what we are concerned with right here is, do they have the same element? Yes, they do have the same element. This tells us that set A equals to set B. Very good. So that tells us that they are equal sets because they contain the same element. Okay, very good, guys. Now, what about subsets? A subset is a set within another set. A subset is a set that is within another set. Okay, now let us take a look at this set right here. Set A has elements from 1 to 10. It has elements from 1 to 10. Okay, 10. Very good. And then we have a set B which has elements 2, 4, 6. Okay, now we said that subset is a set within another set. If you take a look at this, set A is from 1 to 10. Set B is 2, 4, and 6. You will agree with me that the element in set B can also be found in set A, right? There is 2 right here, right? You also have 4 right here, okay? You also have 6 right here. So that means all the sets in set B can also be found in set A. This tells us that B is a subset of A. This tells us that B is a subset. Is a subset of A. Why is that? Because B is a set within another set A. That means the element in B can be found in A. So B is a subset of A. Now, how do we represent subset? You can represent subset with this symbol right here. With this symbol right here. So that means I can say B is a subset of A. So I can use this symbol right here to show that B is a subset of A. That means the element in B, all the elements in B can be found in A. Okay, very good, guys. As a matter of fact, we can say that B is what we call a proper subset. We can say B is a proper subset of A. We can say B is a proper subset of A. Why is that? Because B does not contain every element of A. Because B does not contain every element of A. B only contains some few elements of A, right? Therefore, we can say it is a proper subset of A. Do you understand that right now, guys? All right, let us take a look at one more terminology in this class for today. Universal set. Universal set has this symbol. Usually we use this symbol or this symbol for a universal set. Okay, we use this symbol or this symbol for a universal set, and it is a set that contains all the elements that are used in a given problem. So if you have a given problem, all the elements that are used, okay? So that means let's assume that you're going to be using this in a problem set, okay? So you have been given this, you have this set A and this set B. If you take a look at this, you realize that all the elements in A and B can be found right here. Therefore, this is your universal set. A universal set is a set that contains all the elements that are used in a given problem. For set A, you have 2, 4, 6, 8, which you can also find here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That tells you that this is your universal set. It is a set that contains all the elements that are used in a given problem. As a matter of fact, you remember we talked about a subset. We said a subset is a set within another set. We can also conclude that A and B are subsets of this universal set because all the elements in A and in B are present in the universal set. Okay, very good, guys. I will encourage you to go over these terminologies again and again until you can convince yourself that you've understood what these terminologies are. In this class today, we talked about equal sets, subsets, and also universal sets. In the next class, we are going to be looking at more terminologies. All right, see you in the next class, guys. Bye.